So 11.6, the last section in here. I started writing on here a little bit as we were waiting. So a regular polygon, we've talked about shapes that were regular. That means that all sides are congruent, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so for how we're going to do this is we're going to count the number of sides and then we're going to name the shape. Okay, so we're going to count the sides, we're going to name the shape, we're going to divide the polygon into equal triangles. Then find the area of one triangle. Guess what we're going to do with that? Multiply it. Multiply the area of one triangle by what?
How many sides there are?
By the number of sides. So we're not finding a whole big formula. We're just making it in triangles. What did I say? Circles, triangles, rectangles, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, we're going to go through and name these real quick because I found out today you guys don't know your names of shapes. Okay. So you don't look at it. I had one person go octagon, 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 octagon every single time. I'm like, why do you keep saying octagon? They look like a stop sign. Okay, it don't matter if it looks like a stop sign or not. You have to count the sides, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, how many sides does the first shape have?
6.
6. So what is it?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. So write it.
Jeffrey.
Hexagon.
And then put 6 here. We'll come back. What's the next one?
7?
7. It is a heptagon.
Oh, I didn't know that one.
And it's exactly how it sounds, guys. Heptagon. Okay, next.
8,
Nope.
9.
9. Anyone know that one?
No, 9 are gone.
Nonagon.
That was close.
Anything after a decagon, we just do it by the number of sides and then dash agon. So there's 9 here, right?
Yeah.
Now, what do we got the next one?
8.
So that is a
Octagon. I know that one.
Five.
Hexagon.
pentagon.
Pentagon.
A little slow in the uptake there.
Triangle.
Yes. Anyone gets triangle wrong, you fail the whole year. I will go back and change your grade.
That's illegal.
Nope. Not if you got triangle wrong, you deserve it. Okay, the next one.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Isn't it just called a trigon?
Okay. Can you not those that's not helpful at all.
He has a point.
What?
No, he doesn't. He's being distracting. We're trying to get through these quick. We don't even have to do all the examples. I want to make sure you guys got them. Okay, what's it do? What's it say?
Hexagon.
No.
Find the area of.
No.
Oh. Count the number of sides.
Okay, did we count the number of sides?
Yeah.
Did we name the shape?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're dividing it into that many equal triangles. We're only going to do it on one of them. But you divide it at this right here, and this is called the apothem. You're never going to remember that word. We're not going to find it. I'm going to give it to you. It's basically the height of one triangle. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so how many triangles can I make this into?
3.
No.
6.
6.
Oh.
Just go to each one of the.
The center to each vertice. Okay, now I could divide it into other triangles, but do I want those other triangles? No, I want 6 equal triangles to make this easier. I have the height. Do I have a base?
Yeah. 16.2.
16.2. This only works, this basic, with regular polygons.
Is that a 14? I can't see.
Okay, Why don't you just look?
Well, I can't see it because there's a line through it.
Then why don't you erase the line? Okay, so now it says find the area of one triangle. So that would be 1/2 base times height and multiply it by the number of sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to just set it up all together. So we're going to multiply the whole thing by 6. I don't care what you take half of. Last hour they wanted to take half of 14. You could take half of the 6. It's all multiplication, so it doesn't matter what one thing I take half of. What did I stress? One. If you, that's not like addition, so you're not distributing it. They're all multiplication. What do you want to take half of?
16.2.
16.2. So that is going to make that 8.1. Okay. So then I would do 6 times 14. I only like to multiply, I try to multiply my decimal only once. If I can. Okay. So 4 and 6 is 4, carry 2, 84 times 81. Because it's basically 81 with one decimal place, yes? Okay, you multiply, I'll multiply, and we better get the same answer.
Yeah, I think I did something wrong. What the heck?
Okay, well, I personally thought it was easier to take half of 14 and get 7. Take 7 times 1, 13.4, and then multiply that by 6. But you should get 680.4 units squared. Nothing has units on it today, so we're all putting what? Units squared. Aslan, did you find your mistake?
Yeah, when I multiplied it the first time, like the 8.1, I didn't line up the decimal.
Well, you don't have to line up the decimal with
Well, like,
multiplication.
why not? Why
Because
do I keep-
multiplication, you have to line up the digits, and then you just count the number of decimal places. Addition, subtraction is what you have to line up decimals.
So you don't have to put it with a 0?
Yeah, so you saw it as a 0, still multiply.
You still
Actually,
multiply.
I think I was doing it right, and then I thought I was wrong.
Okay.
But it was-
So, what am I going to multiply this whole thing by?
Right.
7 times 1/2 times
Times 12.
12
Times 11.
times 11.6. Let's try to do this. So half of 12 is 6. So 6 times 11.6. We can do that. That'd be 6, carry a 3, it'd be 9, and 6, 69.6.
Yeah.
Then multiply that times 7. So 2, carry a 4, 7, carry a 5, 42, 5, 7, 47. So I get, no,
That's all right.
that's not right. Oh, it's 48. I can't add, evidently. 487.2 units squared. Now again, you're not going to have a calculator on your test, so you need to be trying to do these without a calculator, but can you check them and make sure you've done them right with your calculator? Yes. And if you show me your work,
It's at least half.
it's at least, well, it's more than half if you got it set up right. Like you have this right here set up right. I give you some points for multiplying correctly, but this is what I'm worried about, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we need to keep working them out, or would you just be satisfied with setting them up?
I'll
just set them up.
Set them up. Everyone okay with just setting up the rest?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what am I going to multiply it by?
9.
9. And the reason I put a bracket is to know I'm taking 9 times my one area. Okay, what's the area of a triangle?
The area of
13.
1/2
13
times base. 13.
by 9.5. Okay, and I'm going to tell you right now, I wouldn't take half of anything until I was done.
Yeah, we can.
Or you maybe half of 9. That'd be 4.5. That wouldn't be too bad, right? Okay, next. 8. Why 8?
Because it has
8 sides. And what?
9.
No.
No.
1/2
Oh,
times
yeah. 9.
times. And on this one, I'd take half of 8. How about you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Wait, what?
Like I would take half of 8 is 4.
You can do that?
Yeah, because it's all multiplication.
Oh.
I would take half of 8 and then do 4 times.
So
Because I can do this. So 5, carry a 4, 7, 5. And then that times 4.
Yeah. So like on one, we could have took half of 6.
Mm-hmm. 230 units. Why do I keep doing that wrong?
200.
No. Can I not multiply today? Oh, because this is 6. I didn't change that to a 6. So since I didn't change that to a 6, this is bless you. 7. That makes a difference. Okay. Trying to do too much in my head today, evidently. Okay, next one. Look us up front.
5.
5. Are we going too fast for anyone?
Josh said you're going a little too fast.
Josh, are we going too fast?
No.
Okay, so bless you. 5 times what?
1/2.
1/2
Times 28.
by 21.8. What would we take half of there?
Right.
I just wait till you do
Probably
it.
nothing until the end.
I would take half of 21.8 just because it's even. So that would be 10.9.
What? Oh, yeah, I guess.
So 10.9 might be better to multiply than 21.8.
You know, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
3 times 1/2.
You guys want me to tell you the answers, I guess? Would that make you feel better?
No.
No? Okay. So 3 times what?
3 times 1/2 times 15.6.
Does it matter which one I put in first?
No.
No. Sometimes I'll start doing it where I'm putting what I'm going to take half of right next to the half, but does it matter? No. What would you guys take half of?
54. Yeah.
Oh, and then that's 27. And so then that's 81.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Might be easy to do, right? Okay. Next.
5 times 1/2
See, I'm putting what I'm going to take half of next to it. But it doesn't matter again. Nope, because this would be 6, this would be 30. Can I make the multiplication really hard? Yeah. Can I make it easier sometimes? Yeah. So this one would be what? 9, 4, 2, 249. Okay, next one.
Did you not multiply the 83?
I did.
No. With like the 5 and stuff, isn't that just distributing so that you multiply the 5, the 8?
No, there's no addition. There's no addition, so it's just straight across multiplication. Yeah, if there was a plus, then yes, you would distribute. Okay, 3 times what?
Half. 4.
14?
Yeah.
What do you want to take half of?
14.
So 7. So 12 times 7? which you all should know is,
I don't know.
thank you,
I forgot it.
1227
No,
is
84.
84, thank you.
Wait, why aren't we multiplying 3 times 14 too?
Because there's
Or
no,
3
there's
times
no
4.
addition. It's not 3 times 4 plus 14. If it was 4 plus 14, we would distribute it, yes?
Yeah.
But this is not. This is multiplication. It's just straight across. Don't be making it harder. Questions? No? Okay. That's it. You have a worksheet